Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I actually have two products from one company. It's from Olafus. This box is a work light. I could always use a work light when I'm working in the garage, if it's at night or if it's dark inside, and also if it's inclement weather outside and I'm forced to work in the garage. Instead of wearing like one of those headbands with a flashlight or having to use one hand to hold the flashlight, this is a work light. Has a USB-C cable for charging it, and it's rechargeable, has an internal battery in it. Has two legs here. The black parts are rubber coated, and it has two sets of LED bank lights, which you can move directionally, whether it be together on one side or one on each side. So very unique, very cool. You can plop it like that. You can have these legs like that. You can swivel. Really all kinds of directions where you can have this light pointed. On the back, it has your simple button. Let's just press it. Looks like we're gonna need to charge it first. So while that work light is charging, it was completely dead, had no bars. Let's look at the second item from Olafus. This is a solar floodlight, for above your garage. When you drive into your garage at night, it illuminates your driveway. It's motion detector, and you can move the side ones to cover any specific corners of your driveway or your house. Here's the motion detector sensor, and you can set it to be always on, dusk through dawn, or motion detection. How is this powered? This wire goes to an attached solar panel, so it's completely self-contained, no power source needed in your house. Simply just mount it above your garage door, and also the solar panel display and your solar panel. Plug the wire into your floodlights, and you've got illumination at night for your driveway. Or if you have a doorway that you need illumination in case some unwanted people walk into your property, maybe the light will scare them away. As you can see, I already have one, but that one's broken. Sometimes it flickers like crazy when it rains. So I think it might have a short somewhere. So I'm gonna climb up there and replace this with my new Olafus one. Okay, as you saw, I installed it lickety-split. It's pretty easy. Just wish it wasn't so hot today. And then I climbed on the other side of the roof to install the solar panel, as you can see sticking there. This also does come with a remote control with a battery already installed, and also an extra battery in case you run out, which is really nice. You use the on and off button here. Here's the on. Because it's not quite dark enough, you're not going to get it to go on by itself yet. You have to wait until it gets darker. But we'll just test it by turning it on. And there you go, it turns on for a second, just to test you, to let you know that it works. You also have three different modes. One is for if you want just motion, and one is for no motion at all, and it's just 50%. The other one is 5% light all the time, but then when it feels motion, it goes to 100%. You can read the instructions. Okay, here we're in my garage, and I've been charging this for about, half an hour. Press a button, they both light up. Press another button, only one. Press another button, the other, and it's off. So here's your work light. Can be both sides. Can be both. One or the other, or both. Has legs. Very cool. I'm going to use this a lot. Okay, now it's dark, and right now it's at 5%. Right now it's at 5%. There we go. Very bright. I have another one that does the same thing, so that's throwing it off a little bit. But these motion detector lights are very sensitive. As you can see, my driveway is very well lit from all the lighting, and that's if anybody walks near my property, it'll go off and hopefully scare them away. So you can never have enough lighting. I like it because when you pull into your house, you can see everything so you don't trip over something and fall down. Also, it scares away burglars and people who want to come do something to your house, but with the lights, it's a deterrent. Very convenient to have. As you guys saw, it was very easy to install, and it's powered by the power of the sun. It doesn't even take up any electricity. Also, LEDs, you never have to change the bulbs, and they last for up to like 50,000 hours. Very inexpensive too. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.